In this video, we're going to analyze the contents of a text file called story.txt. We'll read the text and extract some useful statistics from it, like how many words it contains, how many characters, sentences, unique words, and even find the most common word. Let's start by reading the file. We open story.txt in read mode with UTF-8 encoding. Then we read the entire text and split it into words. This allows us to calculate the word count and the character count. When you run this part of the code, you'll see the number of words and characters printed in the console. Now let's go a bit further. Next, we calculate the sentence count by counting how many periods, exclamation marks, and question marks are in the text. After that, we find out how many unique words there are by converting the list of words into a set. We also calculate the average word length by summing up the length of each word and dividing by the total number of words. Finally, we determine the most common word using Python's collections module. The counter object helps us find the word that appears the most and how many times it's used. When you run this full code, you'll get a detailed breakdown of the text, from word and sentence count to the most frequent word. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe. So make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you in lesson 10.